Doing the rear brakes here on Andy's Bentley. Yeah, them pads are about done. That would explain why the takes so long for the hydraulic fluid to pump up. Because it's all mineral oil. So, but the rotors are fine. So we're going to compress those babies in and go from there. All right, we got them compressed. We're putting the new pads in. These are factory Bentley pads. No junk, no cheap shit.
It said B1.
B1 for Bentley. No, we don't know if that's actually for Bentley, but
It says B on it.
yeah. So, but they are factory Bentley. There's a box to prove it. High dollar. All right, going together.
I gotta take this out.
All right. Hey, Jeff. How are you?
Far away.
All right, the Wesser's getting the clips in. You can see he's got one in already. Little retainers. Don't move your head in or you're gonna crack your head on my phone. And F up my shot. You're like, really?
That's all here, Mom.
Well, I don't want to crack you in the head.
Screw my head. I got another one.
Oh, God, the viewers know that we're inappropriate. Like, that shouldn't be a surprise. Especially if they just watch the Idaho trip videos. Ay, 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 ay.
I don't use it. It's a weird angle.
Oh, my legs hurt.
Come on.
Oh, I heard that.
That's what I needed right there.
All right. Job well done on the driver's side. Wes is going to put this back together and tackle the passenger side. Look at this silicone CF, by the way. Somebody must have fixed the axle seal at some point and just kind of
Went to town.
made it work. That's kind of trashy, but it is what it is. Looks good. All right, so over here on the passenger side, Wes is taking things apart, and everything is wet. That would explain, Andy, why it took a while for it to build pressure the last time you drove it. Yay. Guess we need a caliper, eh? Or at the least a rebuild.